over! Let us go, finally!
My dad is already waiting for me. I can see his car.
Dad should be here by now. He is usually right on time. Maybe he is just parked a little further down the road. He said he would be here. He will come. I just need to wait a little more. Bye, Lily. See you tomorrow. Everyone has gone home now. It is just me here. It is okay. Dad is probably just stuck in a little traffic. Oh, Dad and I are watching that new movie this weekend. He promised. It is going to be so much fun. I cannot wait.
Right. Phone on charge. Now let me go and watch the match. Come on. Kickoff is in 2 minutes. Yes! This is the match I have been waiting for all week. Come on, boys! Nobody disturb me for the next 90 minutes, please. No! How did he miss that? That was an open goal! Come on! This team is going to give me a heart attack one day. I mean it! We lost. Again. I cannot believe we lost again. 3 matches in a row. This is a disaster.
Alex, did you pick up Lily from school? She should be home by now.
Yes, she is... Wait. What time is it? Oh no! Oh no! Lily! I completely forgot about Lily!
Alex, she has been waiting at that school for over an hour.
My keys! Where are my keys?
They are on the hook by the door, where they always are, Alex.
I am going. I will be there in 30 minutes. Do not worry.
Drive carefully, Alex, and call Lily to tell her you are coming.
I will. How did I forget? What kind of dad forgets to pick up his daughter? It is fine. I will be there in 20 minutes. She will be fine. Oh, no, the rain is about to start. Oh, brilliant. Rain. Of course it is raining. Why would today be easy? Okay, stay calm. Just keep driving. That puddle was very deep. Please be okay. Please be okay. Come on. Just keep going. Keep going. No. The car stopped. Why did the car stop? Not today. Please, not today of all days. Oh no, his car broke down because of the rain. I have to help him. It is just a loose battery connection. Happens all the time after a big puddle. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Can you do it in 1? My daughter is waiting at school alone.
Oh, the rain! Dad, where are you? It is really raining now.
Oh, the gate is still open. I have to close it. Oh, what's she still doing here? She looks scared. Let me go ask her.
Hello, young lady. Are you still waiting for someone? It has been a long time.
Yes, my dad is coming. He is just a little late today.
Come inside, little one. You can wait in my room where it is dry and warm.
Thank you so much. This is too much raining. I feel scared.
Is your dad usually this late picking you up?
No, he is never late. Today is just a little different.
Dad promised we would watch that movie together this weekend. He never breaks his promises. He is coming. I know he is.
Thank you so much. I owe you one. I have to go. Drive carefully and maybe avoid puddles next time. Traffic. Seriously? Now there is traffic? Come on. Every single thing is going wrong today. Every single thing. Why is my phone not turning on? I put it on charge before I left. Wait, did I actually turn on the switch? Oh no. I did not turn on the switch. My phone has been sitting there all afternoon with no charge at all. Okay, stay calm, traffic will move, I will get there, it will be fine. Finally! Thank you! Come on, let us go! 10 more minutes. Lily, just hold on, Dad is coming. Lily! I am here! Sorry I am late! Lily? Where is she? She was just here. She has to be here. Lily! Lily, where are you? It is Dad! Lily! Lily! Can you hear me? Please answer me! Those are Lily's books. She was here. She was sitting right here. Where did she go? Why would she leave without her books? Come on! Turn on! Please just turn on for 1 minute! The car charger! I have a USB charger in the car! Come on. Come on. Just get enough charge to make one call. Please. Yes. The screen is on. Quick, the school number. Please pick up. Please pick up. Hello? Is this English Learning Companion School Security? English Learning Companion School Security. How can I help you? I am looking for my daughter. Her name is Lily. Is she there? Is she safe? Yes, sir. Your daughter Lily is right here with me. She is perfectly safe and dry. Your father is just outside. Come on, I will walk you out. Come on, Lily. Let us go. Your dad is waiting outside.
Thank you so much for looking after me today.
Dad, you came! I knew you would come!
Lily, oh, thank goodness. Come here, come here. I am so sorry, Lily. I forgot and I should never have forgotten. That was wrong of me.
I was really scared, Dad, but the guard uncle stayed with me and took good care of me.
Thank you, sir. You take such good care of my daughter. Oh, no problem. It's my job. Come on, Lily. Let us go now.
Eat food and wear more socks. Love yourself the way you are.
From now on, I will never forget to pick you up. And that movie this weekend, it is definitely happening.
I know, Dad. And next time, maybe turn on the phone charger switch too.